Yeah.
When we get to a flatter-ish area, or an area you guys think would be, we could
there's a
get
fish right there.
photo
Big one.
mosaic.
Big fish.
Oh, I didn't see him. Let me
He's
know.
under the overhang.
It's, yeah, underneath there.
There, he's poking out a little bit.
Oh.
Up at 12 o'clock.
Yeah, I barely see them.
He might pop out on the other side. Where'd you go, buddy? There he is.
Oh, I keep missing him. I was looking down.
So look at that mustardy colored coral. Maybe he'll pop back out again.
Here, I'll give him a blast of thrusters. Stir up some food for him.
Spook him back in though.
Scare it straight.
There he is. He's coming out.
Oh yeah, let's get a look at him.
Another snapper?
Yeah, another
It's a pretty
snapper.
distinctive spot right there.
Yeah, he's got the red lips.
This is better, right?
That sonar image is
Is this
awesome.
not what we want?
Yeah.
That's the best sonar image. There you go.
Oh wait, this is a better one.
They're
Hold on.
dialed in.
What about that one? Yeah, I don't know. It's got chicken pox.
Yeah.
It's a sound.
This fish really decided to come out of his rock.
Yeah, surprise is out.
Yeah, the next step will be 090. Yeah, so far they're working.
That's what I was
Is
thinking.
that a
but
tiny bluefish in the crevice above the lasers? Like 10?
It is. Good eye.
Oh.
Helps that he's blue.
It's very vivid colored.
Yeah.
All right, we're done with that guy. We got to move on.
Well, we have a viewer asking if there's any sea snakes that live in this area.
No, there are not. I believe there, in Fiji there are, but around here, I don't believe that there are any. And I haven't seen any in the little time I've been here.
Ooh.
Oh, that fish is fast. There's another one going down this towards the bottom left corner of the screen.
There is. Good
On the
eye.
cliff.
I think I found the fish that we saw earlier. It is a snapper. It looks like a one-spot snapper.
Yep, that looks like it. It has that characteristic spot.
Yeah.
So could we take a sample of that sea fan to the right? Is that possible?
Your ship's doing okay, yeah.
Okay. If not, we can get another one. There's plenty of them. If we don't have.
So little fish.
We'll just get a
So
clipping from the top. Maybe if you use the razor cutters.
Just to confirm, we're getting a clipping of the coral.
Yes.
Are we gonna want to slurp it or buy a box, or it depends on the size, I guess. Or do you, yeah.
I was thinking just like a, I mean, not that big of a clipping, like, I don't know, 5 centimeters or so. Then maybe you could just slurp it.
Oh yeah, there's some nice lower branches on this one.
Just gonna flush it really quick. Okay. Yes.
it's a little
Roger.
squid and Argus.
Yeah, I saw it. This is sample 052, Lily.
Oh, thank you.
Let's wait until they actually move in to collect, but
Okay. Just right off. Okay.
The depth is 127.3.
thank you.
The ship is holding position.
Do you want bubble on you? Oh, sorry, auto depth on.
Thanks to our viewer for Seminole, Florida for tuning in again.
Oh, there it goes.
There we go.
Look at that.
We got it.
Suction's not on yet.
Very
Stand
nice.
by.
There's a small bluefish
Okay,
in the bottom
section's
right-hand corner as well, below the other sea fan.
Oh,
And then if possible, could we get some side angle shots of that sea fan? The one we just collected from. Thank you.
Section's at
Did you get an idea on that?
80.
I did not.
Yeah, I'm still looking.
Yeah, that doesn't look like it'll go through well.
it's pretty stiff.
Usually they're, well, rather safe than sorry, right?
Can we put it in a bio box?
Yeah, all of them are open.
Yeah. That was me doing the paint and soap, but you can extend the box. Yes. Oh.
Great.
Perfect.
Awesome, thank you. Let's see, what's the depth?
127.6.
Got it.
Great.
And Peyton, you wanted a photo of the side of the
Yeah,
thing, right?
just so I can have some reference photos for this area.
Just photo survey. Okay. Yeah. Yep.
Thanks for joining us, viewers. Continue to send any questions in that you might have. We just finished sampling a little bit of that coral. And we're gonna, I believe, continue on along this route along this pretty steep rock face right here.
Okay.
Alright, thank you guys.
Awesome. Let's see.
You're not on SBO.
We're at 126. Maybe we go a little further up.
Okay.
Take
Did you say you're looking for
Up
a flat
as
area?
an east?
As in,
Or
no,
up the
like toward the
toward-
surface.
Okay.
Let's go, let's see, I don't know, maybe like 10 meters up, 5 meters up.
Okay.
And then maybe we start to zigzag back west.
Sounds good.
Kinda-
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll make our depth around 115 then.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Roger. Did you get the ship moving?
No. I was gonna let you go up and see how far forward, like how far south I need to step. Because I don't want to step us into the wall.
Gotcha.
That'd be bad.
I'm gonna have to do Argus.
Agreed.
so
Preferably
I guess
avoidable.
you can take this back.
I can't get an idea for
flying.
this sea
Nice.
fan.
There's a fishy. Bye, fishy.
We might be able to, once it's in the wet lab, we have some experts we can ask as well.
Okay.
Whoa.
There's gotta be an idea.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Wow.
There's a lot.
Okay, count those.
Can we get 5 of
You
them?
want
That's,
5 of
we could
those?
probably get 5 of those. Just slurp up like.
That's a good point. Got some
I would feel so
corals.
bad about it afterwards, though.
Nah.
I think there's a few extra.
There's a ton there, man.
Peyton getting sample guilt.
Sample kills. Okay, and then FYI, sample 051, which is the other sample we have, is a snip of the tip of a sea pen, and also a worm that somehow ended up in there.
Hey, did we end up getting that
Did we
weird
take that?
sphere yesterday?
We did. It was a
Oh.
dandelion siphonophore, we think.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Exciting.
So it was like clustered together, and once we got it into the slurp tube, it's zooids, so like the little individual like creatures had separated. So you could see like some of them that were like bright pink, that might have been for reproduction. There were some that were like white and longer for like with tentacles to sting prey.
Mm-hmm.
It's very cool.
Huh.
Nice.
There's also a ton of these mushroom ones
I'm just
everywhere.
going to turn and get the trending
The ones on the bottom,
direction of
the
this wall.
Yeah.
brown.
Up here.
Yeah, maybe we'll sample one of
I don't-
those since there's so many.
I don't know what 5 of things you wanted, but there's a lot of those everywhere.
The sea whips.
No, the like round disc,
Alright, you
what
see
I
that
think are
sonar,
corals
Lily?
on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Did you want to sample one of those when we
So I'm
see
heading
one?
280.
Well,
But
there's
then
a
you see how it
fish.
kind of wraps around. It's got that little dip.
What?
There is a fish.
And those
9
are
o'clock?
10 meter
To the
rings,
left
so
of
we
the
have
lasers
10,
right
20.
now.
So we're going to do a 20 meter step at around call it 280.
Oh, is that a type of parrotfish? Oh, I can't tell.
And then, yeah, and then I
That's
might
a
dip into
unicorn
there.
fish, you guys. Orange spine unicorn fish.
Dude, the colors are so... Oh, he's got something on... Oh, those are just his
So,
little parts of his tail.
yeah, unicorn fish are kind of cool because if you get a close look at its tail, it has 2 little like bony blades on it.
Yeah, go ahead.
He's really pretty.
Yeah, unicorn fish are defined by the fact that they can cut you.
Oh.
They will mess you
They
up.
will cut you.
Really?
But they, some unicorn fish, yeah, that's such a good view.
Wow.
Of
He's
the
saying hi.
tail. But basically they
Open the
have a
box,
defense
Scott.
mechanism in their tail, and then other tanks and surgeon fishes also have singular blades as well.
Anything for entertainment.
That was a good view, Scott.
Yeah, thank you.
Open the box.
Did not.
What is that on the coral right there?
Yeah. Something's on that coral.
Looks like a bunch of fluff from a pillow. The sponge?
Looks
Oh.
like something.
Was that a fish to the left? I think it just went off screen. Did you see it right there?
I did not see it.
Is that? I think it's just a rock.
It's sandier here.
It's hard to tell, but I think it's a rock. Look for those goatfish.
What fish?
Goatfish. Those are...
So we have a request to get samples here in the metaphotic zone of any like representative samples. So I think the one sea fan we did was a good representative.
Okay.
We'll kind of just keep that in mind as we go.
Do you want any of those brown looking things that we saw
was
before?
thinking about it, yeah, because we've seen quite a few of them.
Like on the bottom right now?
I don't know if those are the same.
Is that the same thing?
Not sure.
Like the one right there in the sandy area at 6 o'clock?
Can we get a zoom in on one of those yeah.
On the one right up
looks
by
like
the
one, you
lasers,
guys.
pretty much? Or is
And
that...
then-
Yeah, that's the one. Anyone, like even to the right, there's one.
Yeah.
And then
There,
science we
to
also
the
got,
bottom left.
On those? Is that one?
looks like it.
Should I
She's we
stop
also
the
got
ship?
a yellow plexaridae coral last time.
Oh, we got to
So is
focus.
that
Okay.
the,
a
that's the
large
20 meter
fan.
move that it's still doing?
Okay.
Yeah, that's the end of it. Oh.
So we did get a
Yeah.
fan.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yes, it was a
Really good,
different
yeah.
species.
Okay.
Cool, thank you.
Yes. That one was also in much deeper water too.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it flattened out a little bit?
I was just gonna
Yeah.
say
So
maybe
good.
we do a
Ooh.
fish transect here. I
Ooh,
don't know
look at
how
that.
long it stays flat for. Yeah, if we could maybe sample one of these
That big
brown,
brown thing.
Yeah, I think it's a. I don't know if it's a coral or an algae.
A lichen?
Can get
It looks like a lichen.
Doesn't it?
a
Is there lichens
snipple
underwater?
bone.
Is that a thing?
So do you
Does
want
look
this
like
one
a
right
Look at
here,
the purple
or do you
too.
want?
What's that?
Do you want this one?
Yeah, the one straight ahead, that big one, if we just break a piece
How
off the
big is
side
it?
of it.
Okay.
No, let's
Oh,
use
let's get some,
lasers.
I'm gonna
yeah, can we
stop
get
the ship.
lasers, maybe get some stills first beforehand?
Sure.
Okay.
Could we get a zoom? Oh, thank you. Perfect.
Stop the ship.
No, Peyton, you can't.
Oh,
Sorry.
I am destroyed.
It really does look like a lichen.
That is so interesting looking.
That one
Look at all the
is like 20 centimeters long. It might be a little bit big.
It's
Do
a
you want
bigger
to
one.
go for a
Well,
smaller
they're-
sample
I think
maybe?
they're gonna break a piece off, right?
Let's
Because the ones
see.
directly below it seem
Maybe, yeah, or
similar.
even to the right, I think there's that small disc. We could probably take that whole.
That one or the one further
Yep,
back?
right there.
Okay, let's see it.
Do you want to get some stills
We have
first
no
before we
clue
sample
how
it?
fragile
Yeah,
this
whatever
is.
whatever
we-
we get, if I can get
Can
some
we
pictures.
zoom into that? Yeah.
The far one?
Yeah,
No.
to the right.
That looks like another one.
Yeah.
It's as far right as I can pan.
Okay. Are you able to get photos, Peyton?
Yes, I did. I got a few.
Okay.
We don't need a ton, just like enough to show us what we
Yeah.
were looking at.
Gotcha. Oh, there's a little shrimp, I think. All right, we're good to grab.
Oh, nice.
Might come with a little rock, looks like, but
Where are you guys gonna want this?
Any bio box is fine. Did you guys want forward, or maybe we should put it in one of the smaller ones if we get a good grip?
It's not that big, is it?
Yeah, can we put it in starboard bio boxes if you feel comfortable with it?
That's a Scott question. I'm good
Sure.
with it.
Okay. Oh, there's some big shrimp.
not as
This
big
is-
as the one we saw yesterday.
True.
That was a mungo
And the hot
shrimp.
tub sponge?
A hot tub sponge. You
Oh.
broke it.
It is fragile.
There's just so many little organisms all over.
Yeah, look at them. Tons of them.
Are these organisms most likely here just because
Nice.
it's night as part of like a vertical migration, or do you think they're just maybe here?
I think
Cool.
they're attracted to the light, and yes, the vertical migration, because it is still the middle of the night. But these are, can't really make out what they are, if they're fish or.
I think the majority of them are probably small crustaceans.
Yeah,
Ready?
probably.
But
What?
Okay.
Switch.
Ready?
Yep.
all right, all starboard bio boxes are open.
Hana, that fan coral in the
Shit.
top right hand corner, are the different kind of colorations
Nice.
right there on the edges just parts that are dying off?
On
Pardon
the
my
top
French.
right.
Yeah, you kind of see like the outer edge of that fan
Do I have
coral.
to put a quarter in the jar now?
Some of them see
I swear
It
no.
could be, no, it might just be new
new
growth.
growth.
Yeah, it could be new growth. It's kind of hard to see from here, but
Yeah.
if it was dead, it would be darker in color and almost like skeletal looking per se, because it wouldn't have any of the tissue around it.
Our depth is 116.5.
Hana, was this flat enough for you to want to get a fish transect, or did you want to?
Yeah, it's yeah, I think this. What do you think, Scott? You think it'd be a good? What do you guys think?
Can you give me bubble cam over on the arm?
Actually, looking at that sea fan, it could be that it's freshly dead tissue. Now that we're.
All right, thank you. So I was
Sorry.
looking at the sonar and the way that you see that little kind of dip around the bend here.
Oh.
So after that, after we get past that, it looks like it might be a good, transect possibility. Do you see what I'm saying? Where it kind of dips around in that little cove.
Stick of science.
Oh.
Oh, over here.
So all that's flat in there?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
It looks like it is flattening out, but we'll see.
It's just this little cove.
Exploration.
Actually, Argus has a good view of it too.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, and then it drops off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I need to press enter.
Let me center my camera up.
Good morning,
There we go.
Ontario, Canada. Thanks for joining us. And to our viewer who's asking about identifying new species, we have a lot of scientists both on the ship as well as especially off the ship who we can
I
reach
really
out
want
to,
the boat to move right now.
but it takes a while to identify
Keep
new
going
species.
west.
There's sampling and all sorts of research that needs to be done, so
Just
it's
go at
kind of a lengthy process.
And oftentimes that species identification happens out of our hands as well.
do you want
Oh, this is a lot more sand.
Out of what as well? Babe?
Out of our hands as well.
Oh.
It's often in the hands of other scientists because all the samples that we collect are usually sent to repositories like the Stanford Museum of Comparative Zoology.
Did we like
Let's
spin
see.
around? I kind of got thrown off.
Yeah,
Oh,
we smell
okay.
it all. We're trying to
There's a
figure
couple
out.
right
fish.
there. There's four. One, two,
three.
three, four, five, I think.
So that's trending.
There's a lot
One,
right
two,
there.
Wow,
three,
there's a ton of them. Look at all of
Oh,
them.
whoa.
Maybe
There's
three.
way more than five.
Snappers.
I think it's the same
Two,
snapper as
three,
before.
There's
Four,
not.
five,
Is there the
six,
black dot towards the
seven.
back?
No,
one?
I think it's the Simone
Oh, the
snapper.
Samoan snapper.
I don't know
Yeah,
if
310
it's the
maybe?
Simone snapper, but definitely
Yeah.
Still
Okay.
a
A snapper.
So it looks like we could do a transect here.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Start up.
Start
Right
with, like,
before the
two
fish
fishing
swim away.
frames.
Wrong stick again.
If it's still pretty, I'm wondering if we should do a photo grid.
Okay.
Let's do a photo grid. See if we can get some of these Gorgonians and fans and stuff.
Okay.
How big do? Let's. I think there's a good little cluster here. If we could do a 5x5, how would it be doing it kind of on the down slope? I don't know if you could.
I would keep my heading like this and kind of, instead of having the vehicle facing upslope, I would
Okay.
be side slope, I guess.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, if we can do like
Let's see
a.
what the picture looks like, actually.
Yeah,
Almost
that
at
sounds
how
good.
that-
They do have
Cameras.
some yellow lines on them.
Yes.
I'm
We're
gonna
gonna
try
keep the
and
ship here.
ID these guys.
Oh, okay. I
Bring
was
up the cameras.
That looks
okay. Yep. Sorry.
it's very similar to the ones we previously saw.
Yeah,
the
for sure.
fish.
So many of them.
Where are the drivers?
Oh wow, pretty. Did you start the transit or the?
Oh, we're
we're
just trying to see what
trying
it'll
to-
look like.
Gotcha. Okay. Let me take a look at the cams.
Your altitude is 5 meters.
Yeah, I mean, maybe I should go butt 2 instead.
We can try somewhere it's flatter too if it's not gonna be
Yeah, it's
visible.
we don't get a very good, interesting view while we're doing it.
Yeah. I mean, aim the cameras this way.
We are kind of on that ledge there. It's flatter.
I feel like there has to be an achievement for like driving your ROV backwards.
Very skilled.
I don't.
It's like the end
Is
of
that
that
is
Talladega
that better?
Nights.
They're coming out, but I don't know how easily it'll be able to do the, because it's still a relatively steep slope where we are.
Look at how much
Well,
there
let's
is
do a
swarming
little-
around
let's
Let's
do
Argus.
an
try it.
example here.
Okay.
I'll step starboard
Hana, have you
We
ever
could
gone
do
light
a
fishing?
small one.
just
Done
to see
what?
what happens.
Light fishing? That's where you stick a really bright like LED stick into the water and see what like gets attracted to it.
I've done it snorkeling, like going out during
Okay.
coral spawning.
Yeah, I'm
There's a meter.
realizing now that's basically what we're doing with
Here's
Argus
that
because we
one.
just stuck a
Forward.
gigantic light into the
yeah,
water.
which is
Are
why
you
we're
doing
seeing
auto
so
out?
many,
Yeah.
No.
so many
auto
little
depth.
guys.
We should do auto
Yeah, it would
ulti-
be cool if
altimeter.
we saw some. Ooh,
Hey.
Yeah, I'm losing beams.
Saw
Yeah.
So many.
Oh, for sure.
It's not gonna hold
hard
that
corals
great.
with like big polyps
Very
out where
well.
you could really see them snagging
Yeah.
like polychaetes or whatever.
Back in Washington, we went up to Friday Harbor
The
Labs.
pictures look good.
Oh,
The
but-
hello.
pictures are looking pretty good, but yeah, how big is
Who's-
this area that we have before the cliff drops off?
It's a good question.
I mean, that was a quick, like 1x2 meter.
Are we
just to see
saving
what it was gonna do.
these? I'm gonna just list this as being photo mosaic 1. I won't have a start time or end time,
Okay,
but
I'll mark it. Scott did a little something.
Are those little squids swimming around in there?
Whoa.
I didn't see him.
It'll be like a 2x2
There's so
now.
many.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine, and then we'll still kind of be
That's
on
a
that.
lot.
Did I unlock my
little
achievement?
You've
Sorry,
increased
that's
your
only for a
ROV
2 by
gamer
3.
score.
Oh, 2x3. Oh,
Ah,
jeez.
so close.
I think 5x5 is way too big.
You have to end it in a power slide.
So let us know when you'll start this. You said 2x2?
We already did it.
Yeah.
So we got the whole 2x2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
are we already? Oh, let me know when you guys
They're
are
that good.
ending it.
Okay, we will.
Oh my goodness.
So are all these attracted to the ROV because of the lights?
The light.
Probably.
Yeah.
Yeah.
it's a light.
Wow. That's so many.
Maybe step this. Do you want to do more here?
Step the ship.
It was working out.
It was.
Yeah, we could
I
do
can
a.
keep going. We just need to get the ship closer. 'cause
Yeah.
I'm getting
Okay.
tugged on the tether.
Can we see if I can see the path of
What's our depth?
the grid?
117.
DC
Depth.
ground fault went down.
But yeah, as I was saying, when
2.1.
we do this
I
back
wonder what that is.
home,
No idea.
like
Start
I got the chance to do this
testing
at Friday
staff.
Harbor Labs, which is in the San Juan
Sure.
Islands.
It'd be nice to know when we get on deck.
And we got
Yeah.
like a ton of shrimp all over the docks that came up. I think at one point a harbor seal came by.
Wow. Looking at how many are in
the
Argus's
ship going.
camera.
Oh yeah, no, it's crazy.
What?
Which direction? 180?
180? That's what I was thinking.
So we should slurp up 5 of these, right?
10 meters is good?
10
Wait.
meters is good.
Okay.
They might be like so small that they fit all the way through the filters.
Well, no, there's different size ones in the slurps, right?
Due south?
Yeah.
Right?
That's
Oh
a lot,
my
though.
goodness.
I don't know. Hold on. Which way is Argus facing?
Oh, sorry, my heading, I'm facing to the west.
All right.
So I'm facing, yeah.
Sure.
That's pretty accurate.
Or 260. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. How far are we on the 2x2 meter transect?
It's actually becoming more like 2x3 now.
Oh, hey, wait. Hang on.
lies.
He wants the achievement, is why.
Uh,
Yeah, I'm think I'm going 2x4 in a second here.
Oh,
It's gonna happen.
it's gonna happen.
There it is. 2x4.
That just
Do you have
happened.
Doppler?
Oh, hey, fishy.
If we can get the nav G screen up
Yeah.
and then zoom way in on Herc.
Can
We'll
can
see.
I
Yeah, go
change
ahead.
this one?
Yeah.
Like how all the little shrimp creatures are kind of getting tossed around with the exact same pattern as
do
the
we can't reset
wash
right
from
now,
the
never mind.
props.
No.
I've lost where I am at on my.
ooh.
Yeah.
So if you
I
don't,
have it over here.
Wow, I
Wait.
really want to take like a plankton net through this. Like just all of them all at once. There's so many
It
of them.
does that, but also if you don't have good beams, then it goes, yeah, wacky, haywire.
You're at 4 meters.
See, like, I never even thought about the fact that, like, bringing an ROV down with lights, you'd end up with, like, a swarm.
Okay, bring up your screen to reset.
Like moss to a flame.
So we're going to go back to USBL.
And it's going to
we're
get even
reset.
crazier when we get
But
shallower.
we're going to do it really quickly. I'm going to come out of XY, you're going to reset, and I'm going to go back in XY.
Okay.
You can, like, see on Argus
So
Cam, like, just
do all that stuff.
the, like, mist that's getting
That's
pushed
good.
around
Not
as,
gonna
like,
mess you up.
Hercules moves.
Tell me when.
Do you have your cursor
Yep.
set? Go. Alright. Alright, continue on our little photo thing. Sweet.
Teamwork.
Oh.
Yeah. Aren't they? No, no, no. Are they? I thought they were 24. No.
No.
I think it's going to be interesting, like, the longer we stay in this area with the lights, the more larger predators you might start to see as, like, fish start gathering around it, too.
As long as we're not afraid of how loud Hercules is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is a lot of free food right there.
Alright.
Oh, for sure. Can we just get a whale shark, like, cruising right? Do you guys have
stepping
whale sharks in
starboard
this
now?
area?
I am. I'm going back because we wanted to make it bigger, 5x5.
Oh, okay,
We're
yeah.
off
Trying to
SPL
cover the-
also.
Right.
The other 3 meters on the.
Yeah.
Hana, you're off SPL.
Oh, sorry.
Good.
Whale sharks, I have not heard of them passing through here, but they could, I'm not sure.
Basking sharks?
What's up?
Any
Basking sharks?
basking sharks?
I'm not sure either.
Oh, okay.
There's definitely whales, humpbacks, peak season's about October. I have heard of, last year there was a researcher that came down and they saw, I think, 1 sperm whale and quite a few humpback whales just off the south side of Tutuila. And by, like, I went out with them one day and we were kind of between the airport and Aunuu, and we saw, I think, 4 different humpbacks. It was pretty cool.
That would blow my mind. We saw some dolphins this evening.
Was it a
Bring it back
dolphin
to
or
the
just like a
cameras.
tooth or beach
When did
whale?
you saw them when we were coming up?
I only
turning
saw
around?
one. but
I
there
didn't
was
see them
a-
at all. When was
There are
this?
like 3 or 4.
Yeah, it was
There were 3 or 4
after we
okay,
ate
smaller
dinner.
dolphins.
Oh, I must have came up just after then.
Yeah.
I was up top, but
There we saw some flying fish.
oh, I missed it.
There's quite a
away.
few flying fish. I saw them more them than dolphins.
Yes, there were more flying fish.
Was
than
it a big
dolphins.
pod of dolphins or?
It was like 3.
Oh, okay. It's not too many. Nice. Darn, I missed the dolphins. I've only ever seen dolphins in Whangatele Bay at the sanctuary site there. Whenever we go there, I feel like almost every time we're there, always on the way out of the bay, we'll see them on the western side of the bay. But the second if you're in the water, they'll go away. But if you're on the boat, they'll come up close. We've noticed.
Just out of sheer curiosity, could we get a like upward angle on Hercules cam?
This looks like Twilight
Oh.
Zone.
Yep, they're loving those lights.
Oh yeah, it's making me dizzy looking at it.
Alright, thank you, Herc.
It's like
It's snowing upwards.
Yeah, it's like
we're
Twilight
finally not in
Zone.
rough seas and you get seasick
It's
just
like
from
51
staring at
miles
the krill swimming around.
Yeah. Thank you, Scott. Oh, I'm gonna get a capture of this too.
Right.
Do you think they just think this is magic?
I don't know if they have concept of magic.
Oh,
Like,
our ground faults are
all
coming down a little
technology
bit.
sufficiently advanced is indistinguishable from magic?
That's the quote, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that Thor?
I mean, I think that's one principle that, like, Thor's world is built off of.
How big of a grid are we at now?
I think we're pretty much there. 5 by 5. I tried
Cool.
to, so we started 2 by 3,
Mm-hmm.
and then I added the rest of it.
Okay,
So,
awesome. I'll
I
know.
don't know how it's going to come out on the mosaic, but
Yeah, we'll try it out and stitch it. Hopefully enough photos align.
yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
yeah, it is. It's hard to do on a slope like this.
Yeah, no worries. Appreciate the effort. Yeah, hopefully. I hope so.
Is
That
that an
looked
issue
pretty cool.
with, Nav,
Pretty
is
much
that an
there.
issue with USBL or reckoning?
What?
Is the jumping around an issue with USBL?
No, Doppler.
No, Doppler.
Mm.
Yeah, USBL gets pings.
Okay,
We're good?
we'll call that good.
Alright, ending now.
I'll spin back around.
We ended at 1238. Depth of 117.5.
Where to next?
We don't need this. I'm changing it.
Correct.
Great. So, Hana, do we want to head along the cliff some more?
Let's see.
Uh,
So you're heading west.
Yes.
yes.
So, does it look like there's more of a flat edge, or it's just kind of wall?
It seems
It's
to
just-
be
It seems to be, we're at,
tilting
yeah, we're at
away
the
from us
rim.
now.
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe this would be a good spot to try to do another transect?
Do you want to do it along the wall or forward? Like, or south towards the island?
Along the wall laterally again. We'll
Okay,
do. Just so we don't
so-
hit, because right here it's kind of
290 on the shape.
kind of
290,
sticks out,
that's what I was
so it's a
thinking.
little flatter, right? So we
It
could
is, yeah.
kind of stay along that flatter bottom.
Steps. Yeah. Sure.
Okay, so this will be our
Starting.
Big
second.
fish on the right.
Fish.
Big fish.
Sorry, Hana.
Oh,
It's
where'd it
always
go?
right before you start.
It is. So this will be our second one.
And we're conducting the survey along the edge or just like in a shallower area, would you say?
We're,
Oh, where'd you go, fishy?
I think it looks like it's kind of on a ledge.
Oh, he's
like
coming up on
this.
our left. If you turn on left.
So we're gonna go
he's right
laterally.
there.
Yes.
Okay, laterally along ledge.
Yeah.
You could see him swimming around
Seems
in
to be a
Argus
ledge
scale.
at least, because it's a little flatter. That way we're not going straight up.
It's hanging out behind Hercules.
Oh, and we'll probably be able to get some
Really?
benthic photos
Yeah,
too.
you can see him.
Could you take benthic photos, Lily? Please, we might be able to get. Yeah, might be able to get some this time because it's flatter.
An Argus camera, there's so much stuff
Maybe
that
just
looks like
put them on so if we get them, we get them.
There's 2 of those fish.
Wow.
behind us.
Let me know when you guys are all
The ship's going.
ready.
124057.
We're going.
This is Fish and Benthic survey number 2.
Correct.
Yeah, you can see the 2 of them right there.
Fish?
They're behind us, though, I think.
Yeah.
On Argus camera.
Yeah.
Those 2 big fish
Waiting
are
for your
behind
go
us.
ahead.
And yeah, go ahead.
Are we started?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
what was our start time?
I'll just start it now.
It's like less than a minute ago.
1241.
12:41, okay. Oh, we just did, okay. Perfect. Thank you.
Okay, starting depth, I logged as like 118, I think. 118.9.
118.9?
Yes.
Look at that red one.
Oh, and if you could, when you get a chance, Peyton, the end time for the first one.
Oh, crap. Sorry, guys.
Oh,
Oh, yes.
You want my Doppler back? I mean, Pero. Okay. It's going bonkers.
wow, that's really cool.
Fish.
Oh, there's one.
Sure.
Okay, and you wanted the start time for the first Fish and Benthic survey?
I gotta wait for the
I
ship.
had 11:26 as the start, but what was the end?
Yeah.
Okay.
You had mentioned you could
yes.
see the end.
End time was, for our first Fish and Benthic survey, was 11:42.
Perfect, thank you.
Let me just check that that's what I wrote.
Oh,
Oh,
there's a
yeah,
fish.
mark that.
Oh,
Cool.
fish.
We're good.
Awesome, thanks, Peyton.
Yeah, no problem. Maybe I should just wear like 2 layers of pants too.
Cold back there.
It is.
It's not as bad wearing like an extra rain jacket.
I have my raincoat on my legs, but I'm still, I need like a fuzzy blanket.
Yeah, for sure.
That would be nice.
Standard issue Nautilus blanket.
I gotta come back. The ship decided to
Yeah.
go east.
Okay.
The ship
Are we
was
pausing it?
drifting.
It's going east now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, yeah.
Not by our command.
No. The thruster was not. Yeah. It's trying.
There's a fish underneath us.
Doing its best.
You can see it in the... It appeared in the cameras. Oh, there's a trevally?
Ooh.
Trevally, yep. Nice. How deep are we at 118?
There
Okay.
they are. It's 2 of them.
It's-
116.
It's catching up.
Oh,
Okay.
I didn't see the second one.
They
Okay,
were
let me
just
make note.
taking turns
2.
rotating in and out.
Trevally. I feel like Trevally, they always look mean when they swim and they're just like jolting back and forth. These ones aren't swimming too fast though.
Yesterday I was like watching as we were like just going through that shallow coral area, and I was like
Oh,
remembering
you
like,
saw it? I didn't see
yeah,
it.
it was
The
really
video.
pretty.
was toward the end of their dive, right?
Yeah,
I heard
and
it
I
was
was just,
really
like,
cool.
Yeah, it was
watching
moray
different
eel
fish,
too.
and
they
then
had.
it was like, wait, where do I
You
know all
just
these
saw a
fish
Neo
names
bird?
from?
No,
oh.
they had
Oh.
pictures of a moray
Oh,
eel
okay.
from the last dive.
Oh, okay.
I was going through the dive captures.
Oh,
Cool.
gotcha.
Yeah,
Sorry,
I saw the
Peyton, what
I
were you
didn't see the
saying?
moray, I saw the sharks. But I was like looking through all these like fish and thinking, why do I know the names of some of these? And then I realized that like it was from a Wii fishing game I had played when I was younger.
That's funny.
Yeah, it was called like Fishing Resort. You would like catch a bunch of fish and then put them in like a little aquarium.
Oh, is this something you like take care of them or something?
I don't know if you take care of them so much as they just like get sent to the aquarium and you can see like stuff you've caught.
Oh, okay.
But like it had a whole bunch of different locations and it was really cool and was actually like fairly accurate,
Nice.
which is like a gripe I have with a lot of other stuff I've seen.
Yep.
There's a
Fish.
fish center screen
Oh,
right above the lasers.
I didn't see him, but I'll move.
It's starting to move a little bit. It's to the left.
There was one bottom left we passed.
Oh, I missed him. Oh, I see him.
Very far right. There he is.
Yep, far right. He's yellow and purple.
Yeah, looks like it. I wonder if that's similar to the one we saw previously. I think he's silver, but yep. Is that the same one we saw earlier, Peyton? I think so.
I think so. Because we came this way originally, didn't we?
We were just deeper.
Yeah.
We were 10 meters down when we came this
I can try to ID it.
from this direction.
I think it's the one that we had seen prior.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Mm-hmm.
That yellow is just so vivid.
Very. I think because he's below us too, we get a real good view of it. The yellow coloration. Here, fishy,
What did I
fishy.
say that fish was? I'm trying to remember.
You got another one going?
I think you took note of it.
I did.
It was
There's
towards
a fish
the beginning.
going down
It
the
was,
sandy
few
slope.
Oh,
yeah,
I
down,
see
there's
him.
two down there.
Oh, three.
Three?
There's more trevally.
Down in the bottom right.
And then there's another yellow and silver one in the bottom right hand corner.
There's a couple down there.
And then a yellow
One
one,
on the edge.
going down that appeared to have a long snout.
Yeah, it was another fusilier.
Oh yeah, there's another yellow one.
Yeah. All right, we're waiting for the ship again.
Alright, let me know when you guys are starting to move again.
Here's those fish again.
Is that the same fish? I
They're
can see it
the
in
same
the porch
ones?
cam.
But I don't know
I
what
think the
they
same
are
ones
because they're
are
so far
down
away.
there.
Are we including porch cam?
What's that?
Are we including porch cam for fish?
No, I was only looking at. Oh, what
Do you
is
mean the
that?
bubble cam?
Squid!
Is that a squid? Yeah,
Yeah.
it is. An Arias
Come
cam.
back. I want to take a picture of you.
No squid for you.
What? Are you taking pictures? Yeah, we're taking pictures right now.
The fish is coming down the slope again if we want to try and zoom in and see what it is so we can maybe ID it.
Where is it at?
It's right
There.
there.
Oh, I see it.
I don't know what he is.
There's two of them.
This is
Oh,
going to be
yeah.
hard to tell from this distance. Oh yeah, those are the same fusiliers.
Yeah, that's the yellow one, but I don't know about the darker ones.
Zoom back. Thank you.
Huh.
Alright, are we unpaused?
Unpaused.
Unpaused.
There's another one. At our 2 o'clock.
Oh, I see it. Hey,
Huh.
And there's another one.
is that the same one? Or?
Might be.
That one looks.
I think
It's
it
got
might.
the same red tail.
Yeah, I think he might have turned around.
We are 65 meters into this transect.
Awesome. And we're going west, correct?
We are going west. Yes.
Okay.
Like due west right now, actually.
Oh, fish about to appear, I think. No,
What? Where?
there was a trevally in porch cam. Waiting for it to show up.
It's gotten pretty flat.
There's one on the right side.
Oh, yeah. 1251.
Is that the same one?
That was different.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think it's the same.
What if the same fish just loops in and out of our camera feed over and over again? Just because it can.
Could happen.
There's a nice little jelly in the
Hello.
Was that a jelly or was that a siphonophore?
I think it was a jelly, but I can't tell.
Yeah, I couldn't tell either. It's so impressive that there's so many sea fans down here because there's none in the shallow water reefs here. So it's really cool to see all these sea fans.
Where'd you go, fishies?
We are 85 meters into the transect.
Awesome. Oh, what's that in the screen? Oh, never mind. Oh, there's a fish on the 3 o'clock. Can we zoom on that fish at 3 o'clock,
Yeah.
Please.
Go ahead.
looks pretty long.
Swim,
swim. He looks
And
funny.
he is trying.
Yeah, and he's not moving very much.
Oh,
Oh,
there's another
there.
fish.
There's another one.
Oh,
Is that a
Interesting.
1254.
Just from zooming in.
needle nose fish?
Oh.
We got a trevally that just zoomed through the bottom.
Oh, I missed him.
That
Okay.
was really good timing.
Whoosh.
Last 5 meters.
All right. We've had quite a lot of fish on this one.
And those trevally are just still circling around.
2 meters.
We have like almost 17 fish. Yep, 17 fish.
The trevally are just wondering, hey, can we take this ROV down?
And that's it.
All right.
All right. N1255.
Got
And
it.
depth 116.0 meters.
116.0 meters. Thank you.
We'd like to.
Yeah, if we can. All right.
280, another step. You want to keep going to the westish, Hana?
Sorry, say that again.
You want to keep going west?
Yeah, sure.